Hello and welcome. Today we will talk about this, a spring powered pistol. This doesn't have safety and it doesn't lock back when empty, but to operate each time you pull this back. Okay, here is the magazine release button. You push the button here and your magazine should come out. Okay, this is it. To load is quite easy and simple. I'm going to use 0.2 pellets and you just do it at the top. So one, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think that's right. 2, 4, 6, yeah, 10. Yeah, I had to double check. Okay. To load the magazine and the gun is easy. All you do is just slide it in, pull back, and you're ready to go. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. I'm sorry there wasn't too much to talk about, but here it is. And thank you.